Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Most iPhone users may run into the same tricky problem, being locked by activation lock. Whether you bought a second-hand iPhone locked with the previous owner's Apple ID, or you erased your device and forgot to turn off Find My iPhone, getting stuck on the activation screen with no password means you simply can't unlock it. That's why a reliable iPhone bypass tool is so important. If you're struggling and don't know where to start, stick around till the end of this video. I'll show you exactly how to choose a trustworthy iPhone bypass tool, and walk you through the full unlock process step by step. How to choose a good bypass tool. You don't have to follow trends blindly when picking an iPhone bypass tool. Just keep these 4 key standards in mind, and you'll avoid most scams and find a truly useful tool. First, strong compatibility. There are so many iPhone models and frequent iOS updates. Second, simple operation. No professional skills needed. Most of us are not tech experts. Complicated steps can easily damage your device. A good iPhone bypass tool only takes a few steps, with clear instructions, so even beginners can do it alone. Third, safe and risk-free, with no data loss or device damage. A trustworthy tool either unlocks without data loss, or clearly explains risks in advance. Fourth, all-in-one functions, not just for activation lock. Besides activation issues, you might also face screen lock, Apple ID lock, MDM lock, forgotten screen time passcode, and more. A good bypass tool should solve all these iOS lock problems in one place. An iPhone bypass tool that meets all 4 standards is truly reliable. Today I want to recommend AnyUnlock. It checks every box. In real testing, it performs excellently in compatibility, ease of use, safety, and functions. Now let's jump straight into the tutorial. Full steps to bypass activation lock with AnyUnlock. First, download and install AnyUnlock on your computer. It supports both Windows and Mac OS. Step 1. Open AnyUnlock. On the main interface, select iCloud Activation Lock Removal, then click Start. Step 2. Connect your locked iPhone to the computer with an original USB cable. AnyUnlock will automatically detect your iPhone model and iOS version in 1 to 2 seconds. Step 3. Follow the on-screen guide to put your iPhone into DFU mode. Quickly press and release volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until the screen turns black. Then hold side plus volume down for 10 seconds. Release the side button but keep holding volume down until DFU mode entered successfully appears. Step 4. Choose the matching unlock mode based on your iOS version. For iOS 12 to iOS 4.8.1, jailbreak is required. For iOS 15 and above, no jailbreak is needed. Step 5. The tool will begin removing activation lock. Do not disconnect your device or close the software during this process. It usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. Step 7. When you see activation lock removed successfully, your iPhone is unlocked. It will restart automatically, and you can skip the activation screen, set up your iPhone, and log into your own Apple ID normally. If you're stuck with iPhone activation lock and want a simple, reliable, and effective solution, AnyUnlock is your best choice of iPhone bypass tool. It works great and is easy enough for complete beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips and trusted tools. See you next time.